Welcome back, everyone. It's been a fucking while. Hey, get some tunes going. Oh, Curly's here. Perfect fucking timing. Let's go. Alright, we've got quite a lot of fucking shit here at the moment because I have been piling on, but I've got two of the illustration boxes, which come with OP10. Here we go, OP10 and PRB2. Oh, let's go, Curly. Fucking 6 months and I'm 19 straight. Let's go.
Let's go.
We've got some tin set number 2, which is these three. They come with a promo pack, obviously, and 2 packs of OP13, so we're gonna leave them second. I have 5 each of OP10 and 11 of the hangers. Apparently hangers can have some pretty good tools, so because they're what my co-worker friend told me, that they are at different warehouses. So hopefully we get some good pulls out of those ones. And then I don't have them on camera or near the camera at the moment, but I have 2 boxes of OP14, and I have 4 boxes of the double packs. I don't know if I'm gonna do all 4, we'll see. But I'm gonna start with the illustration box. I was gonna leave these sealed. You know what? I decided let's fucking rip them open. Hey. Let's go. What did I do with the knife? There we are. Maybe we'll get some luck in the PBRs or something, or the OP10 boxes. Hey. There we go. I'm a bit quiet. Curly, am I quiet? Because I swear I've been told I'm quiet, but people hear me come through a lot, so... And my mic's saying it's very loud. I'll turn it up more. Hopefully that's a bit better. The mic isn't... It's a bit more closer to my mouth, so hopefully that's a bit better now too. Alright, so we got our promo packs, which are very interesting. There we go. So we're obviously going to sleeve those, but... This camera really wants to focus when it wants to focus. There we go. So there's that one, the law. And that one. So it's some pretty cool cards. Quickly sleeve those. Because they definitely deserve a sleeve. But yeah, it's been a while since I've opened up some cards and streamed. I've been very busy with work, so I'm hoping to maybe get back into it soon and try and make it at least 1 or 2 times a week if work's still going to be busy. But we'll see how we go. Sex cards? Oh, 100%. Put those 2 there for now. I think we'll open up the PBRs first. Rip them first. I haven't really opened many of these, I think, besides when they're in that starter deck a while ago, so... That's the most I've done. I don't really collect the side sets. Ooh, dragon. Booba. More booba. Ooh, that's an interesting dong. I wish that was hollow, but that's still pretty cool don. I don't think I've got that one yet either. Whoop, lost some cards. Give me a sec. Alright. Open up this one. that one didn't want to come off. Carrot. That's a nice Frankie card. Ooh, that's some nice texture. You can briefly see, look at that flame on that. That's pretty cool. Perona also has some cool effect. And another Don that's different. That's good. We like different Dons that we haven't collected yet. We take those. I do like to try and collect as many Dons as I can, even though they're not that special. They do look cool. Alright. There's those to the side. I'll leave the OP10 packs because we're gonna open up the loopy cards and get the what's it called? The PBRs out. And then we'll do the OP10s. Alright, and then grab the promos. So we got Ace and Sabo, which are also some pretty nice, sexy looking cards. So we rate those. Now this box I wasn't gonna actually open, and then yeah, I just decided to open it. I was like, fuck it. I was like, surely we might get something interesting out of PBR, and it's OP10. Who knows if like a gold Luffy's in there? Oh, even Josh is here.
Hey guys.
Alright, oh. Alright. Open up the first one. Now I'd be happy with a different Don again. Hopefully a hollow one too. Ooh, I see something shiny at the back too. That's just the plain card, but look at the detail on that too. You can just briefly see it. But wants the bloody focus? I guess not. It's hard to tell, but you can, oh, there we go. There it is. Oh, that fucking Shanks card looks sick as well. Like, look at that. Ooh. Don't want a Usopp card, but you know, we'll take it. Something different. Kinda. Just from that Shanks card, I'm kinda glad I opened this up. Shanksu. Alright. Ooh. Like, even Drake's detail's fucking nice on that. Even on, like, the Japanese writing. It's so hard to tell on the camera, but there's detail on it. Ooh, we got that one. I forgot his name. Number 2 or number 3? No, because, yeah. I think... Am I tripping? No, I think I'm tripping. $15? Oh, big. I really like that Shanks card though. That's fucking sexy. Alright, now let's do OP10. Move these up a bit. So we got 4 packs of these. I'll do the, actually, because the tins are OP13, I'll do 10 and I'll do 10 here and 11. Wait, these are OP13, my bad. Why did I say 10? Whatever, we'll open these up. Hello, how are we doing? I'm doing good, V-Mani. How are you? Came at the right time. We're still at the beginning of, some card opening. So this is OP13. Now we've opened these up before, but we're after anything that is, you know, something new alt art wise, or, you know, a nice SEC alt art, you know, manga one would be fucking nice, you know. One can dream. Alright, nothing in that one, but we got Young Garp. I should just fucking cut them open with the scissors, because ripping them always does that. Uber. Nothing in that one. Come on, the luck's gotta be in the last one. Surely. I have scissors, but thank you. Josh just came in and gave me scissors. I already had scissors. And then he got mad. Alright. Hopefully, there is something. Ooh, that's a nice dragon card. I think I already pulled that one off. Not an alt art, but I mean, nice Shanks card. Alright, that's the illustrations done. These are OP13 as well, so I'm gonna open up the fucking tins. So we'll start with, we'll go Sabo first. We're gonna leave the best to last, which is Luffy, because we all know Luffy's gonna be good. I love how they jammed that shit in there. It's alright, the cards don't seem bent. Alright, the Sabo promo card. Which is obviously the same as the tin. I'm actually gonna put some of these in here, actually. Just for now. You know what, I'm gonna use the scissors. I've got them here. I say something. That's not... It's not an alt. I think I've pulled this card, but it's a nice, pretty card. You know, I'm gonna sleeve that one, because I really do like that one. I don't know if it's worth anything, but... We'll just leave him in the normal sleeve for now. It is sick. It's a really pretty card. And that's like not even a fucking alt. Like... Bonnie. Alright, nothing in that one. Alright, we're going with Ace next. Because, you know, surely he's the... surely Ace has something, but Luffy's gonna have the most expensive card. $4. The old is 60. Yeah, okay. Sweet. Thanks, Curly. It's the promo. I might put some OP13 cards in this one. There's that one. These people are being mean to you. It sounds like a you issue, Jade. Honestly, skill issue. Okay, nothing in that one. False report, Jade is bullying me like she is a toddler. I mean, I'd believe that one, to be honest. Oh, I actually think we got an old art in this one. Come on. I'm waiting for the... There we go. I was waiting for it to focus. Oof. We've got this fucking Elder Dragon. The Celestial Dragon, sorry. One of the 5 Elders. And I know I don't have this card. That's an alt art as well, because it's got the little star at the bottom. So that's big. That is a very nice detailed card. Let's sleeve that dude up. That's a big oofed. 35 to 145. Oh. You know what that means? Luffy's up next, and he's gonna fucking pull the, you know, the $5,000 card. Oh, that one was facing down for once. The Luffy promo card. Oh, there we go. Just love how they, like, shove it in there weirdly. Luffy chokes. I'll put the other OP13s in here. Move these up a bit. So we got Saturn. Okay, nothing in that one. Alright, this one's gotta be the lucky one. This it's the last one. It has to be. Ooh. I mean, Luffy did choke, but that is a nice card. It's alright. We got something out of one of them. Alright. Let me clear up a bit. We'll start with OP10. I have 5 of these. I'm gonna move some of these out of the way now though. Just to clear it up a bit. Move those there. Open up some. So these are the first time I'm opening up some Hangsells. So hopefully we have some luck out of these. I've heard there's better luck out of these than buying a box. So, no idea because I never opened them, but I do know a lot of people at work do pre-order them quite a bit, or ask specifically for those. And yes, Curly, I see yours. Yours is the last one. I'll grab that one after this. I got a Don. Ooh. Oh, you hear Loki? That's so funny. My door's shut as well. Just proves how good my fucking mic is. I'm about to be out of top loaders. I thought I had some somewhere. I might have to have a look in a second too. I'm pretty sure I do have some. Alright. We got the Don. Alright. Curly said bottom one. He's like his mum. Mum, let me in. He is like, Mum, let me in.
We're just watching.
We're just watching? You eat my cards though. Ooh. Okay, nothing in that one. Top, Shanae. Okay. You're trying to put him on the... That's the most of Burb we're gonna get. Alright, Shanae's pack. Ooh, Divine Departure looks nice. Nothing in that one. The Loki has made his appearance. He legit will eat the cards. That's why the door is shut. He's not allowed in here. And if he won't eat the cards, he'll fucking be a menace on the camera. Ooh. We have an alt. Oh. Kuzan. That is fucking cool. That is a nice card. That is a fucking sick card. Ooh, that detail on that. He definitely gets a top loader. 30 to 45. Fuck yeah. Alright, last one for OP10. And then we'll go to our OP11. I don't even know if... I don't think I have that alt, by the way. I gotta go through my cards again. I vote for Loki stream when you're done. Okay. Guys, I have another alt. Is it gonna focus? Ooh, Smoker when he was a female in the fucking... What's it called? Punk Hazard, I think it happened. I don't remember if I pulled that card either. But we got some nice Booba. That is some nice Booba. Oh, it does say Punk Hazard at the bottom. Yeah, I thought it was Punk Hazard. When they all switched bodies like it was Freaky Friday. Smoky Booba. I need to find, before I open up 11, I need to find some top loaders. I know I have some. I should have some. Or at least I thought. Or at least I thought some. Maybe I need to buy more. Apparently I don't have top loaded, guys, so everything's getting sleeved and hopefully she'll be right. Alright. I'll go the top one for now. But I definitely have to buy some top loaders when I get to work. Or go for a search and make sure I don't have any hiding, because I thought I did. Ooh, new Don. Oh, Josh just gave me some top loaders.
I'm a pig.
Thanks, babe. Guys, we have some top loaders. We are being gifted. I'll sleeve that one for now. Not top loader him. Okay. Curly kick Jade from Discord. BL Jade, you gotta win those. Nothing in that one. That is all good. So we have 3 more and there's gonna be shit in those ones. Alright, nothing in that one. 2 more to go. Then gave her a new name, lol. Her bum mac bum bum. I feel like that's very fitting for Jade. Oh, Curly with the fucking Loki clip. I hope you clip the booba too. So far, not much luck in this one. OP11 bloody letting us down. Oh, as I say that. Last card. Is it? No, it's not an alt. It almost looked like a bloody alt. Katakori's cool though. I liked him as a villain. He was like a cool boss fight. And just for a plain card, that's really nice. Alright, that's 10 and 11 done. So all we have left is 14. I think that was everything. Yeah, because I had the mini tins, the illustration box, they're done. Alright, let's put these to the side now.